Okay. Okay, let us start with interview questions. Uh, what is SAP FSU?
SAP FICO stands for Finance and Controlling. SAP FICO is the best configuration for internal as well as external accounting. It is an important core model of ERP process where in real time financial transactions are integrated with various parallel models for best results. SAP FI is an effective tool for reliable, accurate, time-based external reporting in the form of profits and loss statements and as well as business balance sheets. And so, SAP FI CO is the vital for management decision making CO process, and it is often used for the internal reporting one purpose. Yeah,
What is company?
company is an organizational financial unit where individual financial statements can be drawn according with appropriate commercial and legal requirement. Company has several types of local currencies where we can derive separate financial statements, that is profits and loss account and balance sheet. A company has several types of company codes, but it acts as a single entity for which financial statements are available. Yeah,
What is business functional area?
yeah. Business functional area in financial accounting are used to define expenses in a company according to individual functional value, like FA and ST and HR and MM, like that. Yeah,
What is credit control area?
yeah. Credit control area is an organizational unit which is used to controlling customer credit limit and credit controlling area. Configuration are generally shared by ST consultants and FSO consultants. Some of the configurations are implemented by ST consultants also. Yeah, uh, T code is OB44. Yeah,
Okay, tell me about year shift.
that's it. Yeah, when the physical year is not same as the calendar year, for this we need to define a displacement factor for each of the posting period. To correctly identify the number of posting pages, you have to use the year shift. Yeah,
Okay. Define document types.
document type is used to distinguish between different business transactions and to classify the accounting documents. It is also used to determine the number range for document and account type, such as asset, material, vendor, and customer, etc. The document type are generally used for reversal postings as well as define. It's a client level. Yeah.
What is the T
Yeah.
code for document type?
Come again.
To create. What is the T code to create document type?
Document type. OB A7. This is the T code.
Okay. What is account groups?
Account groups.
Hmm.
Account groups is used to segregate or grouping the similar accounts into a single group. Each account group in SAP is assigned to chart of account, so you can only use the account group if the controlling area use the same chart of account only. You can create the account group using T code OBT4. Yeah,
Okay. Can you tell me
yeah.
about chart of accounts?
Chart of accounts is a financial organization tool that provides a complete list of every account in a accounting. Uh, a chart of account is structure containing the GL accounts used by one or more company codes. You can say chart of account is a library of GL account. Yeah, chart of account are defined at the client level only. You can create chart of account by using T code OB13. Yeah,
Okay, what are the different types of chart of accounts?
Operating chart of account and group chart of account and country specific chart of account. Coming to the
Okay.
operating chart of account contain the GL account that you plan to use for daily posting in your company code. Financial account and controlling both use this chart of account. Coming to the group chart of account, group chart of account contains the GL account that are used by the entire corporate group. This enable group properties only. Coming to the country specific chart of account. Country specific chart of account contains the GL accounts and needed to meet a specific country legal properties requirements by using this country specific chart of account.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What is posting period variant?
Posting period variant.
Variant is
Yeah, posting period variant is used to control which account period is open for posting. It is an important tool for each and every organization, which is closed and which is open, and which period to transaction. You can create posting period variant by using of OBPO. Yeah,
okay. What is tolerance group?
tolerance group is a tolerance group are used to define different controlling amount which apply to maximum amount of the document and maximum amount of the line item and maximum cash discount to the customer and vendor. Yeah, you can create tolerance group by using of OBA4.
Okay.